In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make the club suit symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on it under the best match. Okay, click on the blank document. Then we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find all these tabs. Now simply click on the Insert tab. And here you'll find symbol. Click on the drop down and click on More Symbols. Then for the font, click on this drop down and then scroll down to the S section. Then we need to look for symbol. Okay? Now once you find symbol, we just need to simply scroll down from here. And we can find the club suit symbol. Okay, this one. So obviously we can simply insert this, but we can also create a shortcut text for this so that whenever we are going to insert this symbol, we are just going to use this shortcut text. So click on autocorrect. And here we just need to simply type it with backslash club. So it depends on you. It's up to your something that you can easily remember. Just make it like that and then click on add, click on OK, and then close this. Now let me try. Backslash club, hit enter. Okay, backslash club, hit enter. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.